Hello guys, good morning. My name is Mondi and welcome to Top Deals. So today in this presentation, I'm going to show you how we use our system here in Top Deals when it comes to business. So technically, our business offer you an airline ticketing business for local and international. We also have the hotel reservation where you can search for local and international. We also have the package and tour for local and international. Okay, so technically, if you wanted to put up a business like this, so you need to have at least a minimum capital of 150,000 or up to 500,000 pesos worth of capital in order for you to have this kind of business. Okay, but here in Top Deals, we will offer you the very cheapest franchising fee of this system. Okay, so we need to proceed here on how we can book our customer using this system. Okay, this is the actual navigation. Okay, the actual navigation as well as the actual system that we use when it comes to booking transaction. Let's say I'm going to book using our system with airline ticketing. Okay, all we need to do is choose if we choose domestic or international. Let's say I'm going to choose domestic. Okay, and then mamimili lamang po tayo if the customer want one way or round trip. Okay, and after that, we need to choose the origin kung saan magagaling yung customer. Let's say from Manila. And then, destination kung saan papunta. Let's say Cebu. Okay, and the onward which is kung kailan po siya aalis. And then at the same time, the return date. Since one way lang po yung pinili natin, it is only applicable for round trip. Okay. And then at the same time, we need to choose how many adult, how many child, how many infant, and what is the class. Is it economy or a business class? And then click the search button. Ganun lang po kasimple. Let's say I'm looking for the cheapest prices. So we can check the cheapest prices here by clicking the lowest tier calendar. So rito rin po natin makikita yung mga promotional prices ng bawat airline. Depends on the corresponding airline. Okay. So, dito po makikita po natin in monthly, okay, monthly due. At the same time, we can search it until next month or next year. Depends on the customer criteria. Okay, let's say I'm going to look for the cheapest prices. Let's say, okay, I'm going to book on November 11. Okay. And then click OK. Then wait lang natin mag-load yung system. Okay, so this is the actual platform kung saan makikita na po natin lahat ng available prices for this specific date. Okay, so sa bandang itaas, ito po nakalagay dito yung cheapest fare kung saan andito po yung mga promotion ng bawat airlines. Okay, and then dito naman po sa bandang ibaba, dito naman po makikita yung date, okay, and then amount on the succeeding date. Okay, if you want to modify your search, okay, let's say ang gusto mo lang hanapin is Cebu Pacific or Philippine Airline. We can modify it by clicking here, modify search, okay, and then choose whatever airline you want. Okay, let's say naman, gusto ng kliyente mo na makakuha ng price list. Okay, so we can send them directly yung price list ng bawat, okay, ticket na ating na-search on our system. By just clicking here, click the amount, okay, and then click the send fares, and then input the email address of your client, and then click send. Automatically, in real time, matatanggap na po ng iyong kliyente through email, okay, lahat ng prices available in our system. Ganun lamang po kasimple. And then at the same time, let's say nakapamili na po tayo ng ating ibubook. Let's say I want to book using AirAsia, then just click the button select. Okay, and then wait lang natin yung system, may lalabas po sa bandang itaas na book now. Okay, so here we go. So ito po siya, meaning to say we are now proceeding on booking transaction. Okay, let's click book now. Okay, and then wait lang natin yung system mag-load. So this is the actual form kung saan ilalagay na po natin yung details ng ating kliyente. So, on the passenger contact, under nito is the agency details. So, the agency will be tayo po. Okay. So just click this agency details and then input your full name. Okay, the purpose of this is para makontak po ng kliyente, okay, ang agent, okay, tayo po, in case na meron siyang ipababago or just in case na magkaroon ng aberya sa kanyang flight. And then at the same time, okay, so this portion naman po kung saan i-input natin yung details ng ating kliyente. So just make sure na tama yung ini-input nating data. So just to make sure para maka-double check po tayo, let us get any valid ID from our client. As much as possible, mas maganda kung passport. Okay? So, very informative po ng ating system. Dito po makikita natin lahat yung payer details. Yung amount ng adults, okay? At the same time, yung taxes fees, transaction fees, and the total cost na babayaran ng kliyente. Okay? As soon as ma-fill upan na po natin lahat ng detalye ng customer, okay? Lahat ng detalye na ating kailangan i-book, automatically we can click the book now. Okay? So, automatically, if we click the book now, ma-generate po yung ticketing transaction natin. So, in the real time, makakatanggap po ang ating client, okay, ng email and then SMS. So, dun po, on that way, once ma-receive na po niya yung email, okay, automatically, pwede niya na po i-print yung itinerary anytime he wish. So, yun po yung gagamitin niya when he will go to the airport. So, ganun lamang po kasimple. Okay, so we are now done here in ticketing business. So we are now proceed to hotel reservation. So all you need to do is click hotel and then click the search button. And then at the same time, mamimili na lamang po tayo if domestic or international. Okay, let's say I'm going to look for domestic. And then, pili lamang tayo ng lugar kung saan sila magbubook o magpapareserve ng hotel. Let's say I'm looking for Manila. Check-in date, okay, let's say November 11 ang check-in date. And then the check-out will be November 12. Then mamimili tayo kung ilang rooms, say 1 room lang. And then what is the nationality? Yung tao na magpapareserve ng ticket. And then how many adults or how many child. Okay, and that's it. Click the search button. So here we go. Ito na po yung available, okay, hotel na pwede nating i-reserve yung ating client. So, ang gagawin natin, mamimili lamang po tayo dyan, okay? Depende kung ano yung may isasuggest natin sa kliyente natin. So, we can check the details here by clicking the details. Okay, so dito po natin makikita yung hotel room details, as well as the amenities, room services, facilities, okay? And the cancellation policy. So, andito po yan. Okay, if you want to book right away, just click book. Okay, automatically, ma-generate yung reservation ng ticket. Okay, same time, makakatanggap na po ng email and SMS ang ating kliyente came from the company. Okay, na bineverify o bineverified yung kanilang booking or reservation transaction. That is how easy po. Okay, let's go naman sa ating package and tour. Okay, all you need to do is click the package and tour and then hit search button. So here in our packaging tour, we can also choose if domestic or international. Okay, let's say I want domestic. Okay, hindi mamimili lamang tayo kung saan po niya prefer kumuha ng packaging tour. Let's say I want Boracay. Okay, and then what is the date? Okay, let's say I want to go here in January 19. And the days. So, how many days package ang kailangan niyang i-book? Let's say 1 to 4 days. And then click the search button. Okay? So, dito po lalabas na po lahat ng available, okay? Available package in tour na pwede nating mai-offer sa ating client. Okay? So, andito na po siya, lahat. So, if you want to click or see what is the details of this book, you can just click see more. So, dito po makikita natin yung product inclusion and exclusion sa presyo na kanilang babayaran. So, ito po, andito yung inclusion, 2 nights room accommodation, daily breakfast, toiletries, free use of hotel amenities. Okay, and then may optional siya na isasuggest, depende, okay, sa package na pinili natin. Okay, on that way, so pag na-clarify na natin at na-isenda natin to sa kliyente natin, at nag-agree na yung client natin na ito yung kukunin niyang package and tour, we can just click on request, okay, and on that way, we can now process directly yung booking natin. Okay, so on this version naman po, dito na natin ipipill up yung details ng ating client. Okay, so just fill up the details of our client and then click on request. So automatically, on that way, makabubuk na po yung package in tour transaction natin. And then at the same time, makakatanggap po ng email and SMS notification ang ating client regarding sa booking transaction na ating ginawa. So, ganun lamang po kasimple. So, I'm going to show you naman po kung paano po ba tayo maglagay ng commission. So, ang kagandahan po rito kay Top Deals, so we can choose whatever commission that we want. Okay, so paano po ba? Just click control panel and then click profile. Okay, and then may magpa-pop up na maliit na window. Just click. Okay, just click X and then click dashboard. Okay, then wait lang natin yung system. So here we go. So dito po kung saan ini-input po natin kung magkano yung per commission natin. Okay, kung magkano yung gusto nating tubuin. Just click modify search. Okay. And then input whatever commission amount you wanted. Let's say you want 200 per transaction, say 300 per transaction. So ito po, it indicates, say 200, you want 200 for adult, 200 for child, and then 200 as well for infant. So every time na magbubook ka ng ticket in transaction, and that is under domestic, so you will gonna earn 200 pesos every each of transaction. Okay? And then click update. Ganun lamang po kasimple. So, automatically, every time may transaction ka, you will earn 200 pesos every transaction na magpabook ng adult, child, or infant. Okay. So, commission updated successfully. Just hit close. Okay. And as well as in international, if you want to change it, okay. So, typically, that is default on 500. We can change it or modify it, okay, whatever we wanted. Ganun lamang po kasimple. So, kung round trip po yan, doble po yung commission mo. 500 times 2. That is 1,000. Kung gagawin mo 1,000 per transaction, if round trip, that is 2,000 ang commission mo. Okay? So, ganun lamang po kasimple. Napakasimple lamang po ng ating system. Pero napaka-profitable po. Okay? So, just to give you an information, our system is only 4,980 pesos. Hindi mo po kailangan maglabas ng almost 150,000 para lamang makapag-acquire, makapagsimula ng ganitong uri ng negosyo. Okay? But here in Top Deals, we only offer you the cheapest price for only 4,980 pesos worth of capital for this system. Okay guys? So, dito po sa Top Deals, hindi lang po ito yung mga system na iyong matatanggap. Napakarami pa po. Okay? On my next video tutorial, mapapanood nyo po yung iba't iba pa mong services na ino-offer ng aming company. We have the fast online loading transaction. We also have the bills and payment facility. We also have the money transfer for smart money in GCash. We have the online store, online shopping, and our upcoming services such as ferry booking, okay, bus ticketing, okay, and the e-wallet centralized system wallet funding. Okay, so this one, ito lamang po isang guideline sa inyo if you wanted to put up the same business with us. At kami po, 10 ng aming teammates here in Top Deals, especially here sa team namin, Team Megaforce and the Team Splash or Team Spearhead, okay, you are welcome to join us. Okay, in order for us, we can guide you in a proper way on how we can earn online or even home base using the Top Deals system. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have learned a lot using this tutorial. Okay, feel free to message me, okay, and add me on my FB account so for further information that you wanted to know. Okay, and once again, my name is Mondi. Click the link below, okay, to subscribe or contact the person who showed you this video. Have a blessed day. Bye for now.